I'm having an utterly disastrous time. Believe it or not, my Mac here is up the spout. It's just not working properly, and I need tech support fast. Thankfully, I'm with LeftBrain, and they can sort out my techie problems in no time at all. All I have to do is open the LeftBrain Messenger app, start a new conversation, and I'll be chatting to one of their lovely humans in no time at all. Terrific! Brian here is a good egg, and he is going to sort my problems out in a flash, while I sit back and have a nice cup of tea. Sensational! It's worked. Thanks, Brian. You've saved my bacon. I can now get on with planning the boss's surprise birthday party.